So going on to like some of the veteran things, which you've been very supportive of. Many veterans that I work with struggle to like get into housing and stuff like that, just because right now it's a really competitive housing market. Are there any legislative efforts to kind of help veterans get into homes right now, or anything like that you know?
I know that we need to do better. We need to put forward, I feel like it's two-pronged here. We need to do more to support veteran services and being able to make sure that the VA is funded, making sure that CVSOs are funded the way they need to be so that we can connect those people to the services that they need. But also, we need to look at things like the Veterans Property Tax Credit and how we can build on that. I think that there are multiple, avenues that we need to look at and the ways that we can make this easier for veterans and military connected families to access these resources, but then also expanding the resources, because as a state, I don't want to see any veterans that are homeless. I don't want to see anybody that's homeless, and there are things that our state can do to push that a little bit further, push the envelope a little bit further on getting resources to people in an efficient manner.